up, you guys? It's me. I know it's been a hot minute since I've been here, probably longer than a hot minute, but I am back, and as you can see by the title of this video, we're back talking about biz stuff because I love talking about running a business. If you guys don't know, I'm Emily. I'm 20 and I am an entrepreneur. I run my own creative business. It's a brand new web design business and I love it. Today's video is all about running a business with Asana because let me tell you, I literally use Asana for everything in my business. So I'm not gonna leave this too much of a big intro, but if you guys want to hear me talk more, if you want more content from me because I'm not on my channel often, then check out my podcast. It's the Creative Boss Babe podcast. The link is in the description. You can go check it out. It's on every single podcast listening platform, so you're gonna be able to find whichever one you want to listen on. Let's get into the video. So I just have my laptop and right now we're looking at the main business board. This is called the biz stuff. This is where I have everything I use for my biz. So just like an overview of it all, I have my yearly goal board, which has like what I want to accomplish every quarter. Then I have my sales funnel, which is for if I'm doing like any big sales or launching anything, and that's where I plan it. Then I have my online shop, which is where I plan out every single product that goes in my online shop. And then I have my weekly to-do. So we're going to start with the yearly goals. And I just have like a brain dump area and then a yearly breakdown. I'm leaving that blank for right now because I'm getting it ready for 2020, and so I'm not working on that part yet. Then I have major events of the year, which are the important 2019 end of the year dates for just running a business and doing all that stuff, because you have to know a lot of things. So then I also have what's coming in Q4, and that's October to December 2019. And I'm launching 3 new web templates, and I'm doing a Cyber 5 sale, which is basically a sale. It's from Thanksgiving to Cyber Monday. So that's like that's 5 days where every single day there's like a different type of sale. Like you have Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Small Business Saturday, then like Sunday's a little break, and then you have Cyber Monday. And so for my business, I decided it would just be best to do a sale for that entire 5 days. Over here in my brain dump, I just have new online products, and as you can see, there's a couple of different things. I have Asana and Trello templates because I love Asana, like as you can tell. Email templates because emails are so important in running a business. A price guide for creatives. I would love to create something that like creatives can just plug in their own prices and use to give out to their own clients. A media kit for creators, which is, if you guys don't know, it's basically a kit you send to like advertisers and collaborators to see like what your reach is, so they know what they'll be benefiting when they'll be working with you. And finally, bundles. The bundles are something I'm desperately working on right now because it's something I'm super excited about. So there's a bunch of different bundles. We're not going to get into them, but as you can see through Asana, you can have just like subtask with a subtask with a subtask. It's amazing. I love it. So there's that. And then physical products, it's something I've been thinking about doing for a while, so it might be coming up. Okay, next we're gonna go to online shop just because my sales funnel is not set up yet, so you guys don't really get to see that, but I will do a video on it when I finally get it set up. So here's kind of like what I'm working on. Most of the time I sell website templates, so you can kind of see here I just have like my little plans. There should be another one. So there's 3 into design that haven't been touched yet. I haven't picked anything out yet other than the fonts and color palette. So we're going to take a look at Affiliate for a minute. You can kind of see what I have. So I have this PDF in here, which is the color palette I'm using for the template. It's very easy to just hold it in there. So when I go to design it, I can come back to it. Then I also have this picture with the 2 fonts and 3 of the colors. And up here, I just have the fonts listed out. They're Ditto and Asmodilla. We're just gonna say that. So then I also have my song too, which is the one I'm currently building right now. And you can kind of see how I create this. So I have modern, aesthetically pleasing website for creators, embedded podcasts and YouTube videos, an Instagram link hub, which you guys all know, it's the link in your Instagram bio with like a bunch of different buttons. And then just kind of like an idea I had for the main image, which is a hero with a box. It's all website talk, you don't have to worry about that. And then my fonts, A Brill Fat Face, The Night Began, and Montserrat. And then you can kind of see here I listed out the pages I want to build. So I have home, about, podcast, freebie vault, YouTube, Instagram, hub, and blog. And then just like with the other one, I do have the PDF of the color palette. Then I have like a picture of the hero banner I was looking at because it was something I was working on. So it's just this image right here where it's like the banner and then you have the box with text on it. That's what I was looking for, and that was just like the example I could find. I'm not basing my design off of this page at all. And then here's again the 2 fonts and the colors. So that's how I plan out my online store. Now we're gonna go down to my weekly to-do, and you could see that I just have a place for regular tasks that aren't exactly dated but need to get done. Then there's Sunday, and every Sunday I have a repeating task called schedule Facebook group posts, because I do have a Facebook group, and so I just try to put posts in that. And if you guys want to join the Facebook group, you can click the link below to join. There's literally things going on every day. So there's threads and everything, and connect with amazing people. Then I have Monday. That's when I started a challenge that I'm working through right now. Tuesday I had a client call that actually is getting rescheduled to Thursday, so I'm just going to drag it over here and change the date to Thursday. Then the Asana live stream that I did, we're going to mark that as complete. And then work on this website that I'm building for a client. I did that, so mark it as complete. Then you can see what today's to-do is. So I have to record a podcast episode, which I'm doing after this, and I have to record one video, which I'm doing right now. So we can actually mark that off as well. And this is just kind of what I do every week. It's a way to work and just plan everything out. I do have a physical planner, but I can't get as in-depth with my planning as I can on here, so I try to have them both. I do use my physical planner every single day, but not as much as I use this. Okay, so now we're looking at my content. Each one is a different team just because it's so much easier to set that up. So under this team, I have 5 different boards. I have my overall content calendar, my Facebook group thread calendar, my podcast planner, my email marketing calendar, and my YouTube planner. So we're gonna start with the content calendar. And on here I have just a brain dump. Because again, if you have any random ideas you're not sure where they'll fit in, this is where you'd put that. Then I have my theme or goal for the month, and so if you just click this open, then you'll see each month I have kind of a theme planned out. So October will be Instagram advertising, and I'll be focusing on advertising your biz on Instagram. November will be email marketing, where I'll be talking about how to use your email marketing provider to market your business. Then December, Facebook groups, and January, business resolutions. Then I also have goals. So each one has a different thing I have set up. So October, my goal is to get 10 people signed up for the course I'm on, the Biz Babes Guide to Running a Creative Business. Then I want to sell 5 show it templates, book 3 new clients, and finally host an Instagram masterclass. So then you can kind of just go over here and you see I have my content workflows, which is each platform I work on. So there's Instagram, my Facebook group, podcast, YouTube, and an email list. Each one is color coded, so when I go and plan things out, you'll see where I will post about them and whatnot. So we're gonna go over to be created, and it's template giveaway. So I want to give away a template that I'm building right now. I'm not sure which one because there's 5 in the works, but with that giveaway I will be doing it for my email list and my Facebook group. So more than likely I'll end up setting it up where if you sign up for my email list and join my Facebook group, you'll get 2 entries in the giveaway. And then the giveaway will be held November 15th. Then my Instagram masterclass is for my email list, my Facebook group, and my Instagram. So with this, I'd be going live at the same time on Facebook and Instagram, and I'd be sending out emails and basically just hosting a little challenge masterclass type thing to teach people about how to use Instagram. Then ready to be published is the challenge I have coming up on Tuesday. And it's the Finding Your Creative Niche Challenge, where basically I'm going to teach you guys how to find your creative niche, how to find your ideal clients and that stuff. And each one of these is day 1, day 2, day 3. And then I have my write-ups and then my PDFs and whatnot. It's just a very simple way to go at it. but it's just what I have. And if you guys want to join the challenge, link down below. And once that's done, it'll be moved over here to review, and in a month's time I'll go review how it helped my business or how it didn't help my business, and just to give it that like padding. So now we're going to my Facebook group thread. Every day I have it listed out which threads we do on my Facebook group. So Monday we do a welcome thread and an Instagram follow thread. Tuesday we do a blog vlog thread. Wednesday we have a Pinterest thread for people who use Pinterest. I know Pinterest is huge in businesses. Thursday is a Facebook or email list. It alternates weekly, so some weeks we'll have like share your Facebook page or a post you want more comments and likes on, or share your email list that you want more subscribers for. Then Friday is free share, where you can share your own content. And then Saturday is weekly win, and Sunday is advice thread. And each one of these, if you just click on it, you'll see that there's actually a write-up that I just copy and paste when I'm scheduling posts, and I schedule them every Sunday night just so they can go up during the week at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and it really automates itself really well. Like, it takes 10 minutes to set up and schedule everything, and then it just goes up throughout the week, and it's great. So the next is my podcast planner, and in it I just, as you see, plan my podcast. So here's episodes ideas for just like different things that I like want to create, and then to record are the episodes that are already planned out, and these are the ones that I'm just getting ready to record. So this is this week's episode. You're getting a behind the scenes peek, but the episode's already out and you guys can go listen to it, and it's why I raise my prices and why you should too. Then I just have the description of the episode that you'll see when you go look at the episode on whatever platform you're listening to. I have the links I have going for it, and then I kind of plan out my episode in segments. So my intro, why I raise my prices, how to know your worth, when should you raise your prices. Then I have ads, because every week I have sponsored ads on my show. Then my small creator shout out, song of the week, pop culture moment, and an outro. And that's how I lay out my show, and it's very simple to just go in and work on it. And then like I can go click here and see that little cloud, go and type out whatever I need to type out if I need to. So that's how I do it. And then once it's recorded, then it goes to upload, and from there I'll upload it, edit it, do all that fun stuff, and then I'll schedule it, and once it's posted it will go to done. That's really how I plan my podcast. Email marketing. So here are ideas for the emails I like to create and plan on creating, just so I can like share them periodically, because I want to use my email marketing more. I have Flowdesk now, which is an amazing email marketing platform. I just like sharing more emails, and of course I will touch on email marketing very soon, as you guys know. But I just have like why you need Instagram for your biz, and let's talk social media marketing. Then I have course emails, which are scheduled this week. So these were emails that I already typed up. They were in a Google Doc because it was before I started using my email marketing planner. Surprise. I just like type it out, schedule it. But here you can go in and you can, in the description, just write out your email, and then all you have to do is copy and paste it, add in whatever images, and it's good to go. And so we have the ideas column, scheduled this week, scheduled next week, later this month, and then sent. It's just a really great way to organize it all. Finally, we have YouTube. I'm still in the process of coming up with lots of YouTube ideas, so currently we have just the ideas. It's kind of blank, but I'm working on that today, tomorrow. This week is really just a planning week for me, so lots of planning is coming. Then to record, these are things that I already want to record. This is actually next week's video, so you guys will be seeing this very, very soon, where I'll talk about Flowdesk and the other tools, including this one, that you guys will get to know more. Of course, there's going to be this big video, so you won't need to know that. But then I just have that, and then to edit, to upload, and done. And it's just a way to organize my workflow really, really, really well. So yes, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below on if you use Asana. Check out the link in the description. There's going to be a free Asana template down there for planning your yearly biz goals, so you guys can plan along with me. Leave me a comment letting me know if you use Asana, and if not, do you use Trello or ClickUp or Airtable? Let me know in the comments. Other than that, make sure you check out the Creative Boss Babe podcast, where I post new episodes weekly every Friday, and there's like 60 episodes full of creative business content that you can check out right now and get so much amazing info from. Yes, I think that's it. I will be back soon with another video. Bye!